What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you read the title of this video, yes, I'm picking up a car that has been abandoned for a couple of years. It's a 1985 BMW E30. I don't have much history on the car. I did talk to the previous owner. He said that the car has been abandoned ever since his dad passed away. There's another car as well that he has that I'm not really interested in because I really don't like Mercedes. It's, I believe, a 1994 Mercedes E420, but I just really love the E30. I've always wanted an E30. I got the E36, but I was planning on selling the E36 to get an E30, but lucky me, I was able to find a pretty much a project which I really am looking forward to. So enough talking, I'm about to go pick it up right now. I did pay for it yesterday, but I didn't have a tow truck. I called someone to tow it. They're going there right now, so I gotta get my ass over there ASAP. So like, comment, subscribe. I'll talk about the car a bit more once I have it at my house. So see y'all in a bit. Peace. All right, if I have any sneakerheads in this channel, do y'all do this too? Like, I have a, you know, driving stick. It will crease the fuck out of your shoes, but I use an extra shoe so I don't crease my shoes. I don't know, I just thought I'd share now. Y'all do that or not? Or is it just me? Getting towed. I don't know why my hands are so shaky, but look at this thing. It looks fucking disgusting, but it's nice somehow.
What?
Alright, a little bit of a difficulty, what do you say? I don't know, just the tow truck dude can't do it. So he needs a car jack. I'm gonna go get a car jack real quick, and then maybe he will be able to do it. I don't know. I called my uncle because he's only like 5 minutes away, so I'm gonna go to his house, pick up a jack, because I was gonna go all the way to my house and get my jack, but that's like 15 minutes away, and that's kind of far, so it's gonna be 30 minutes for him to wait over there, the tow truck dude. So going to my uncle's house real quick. I'm gonna get a car jack, and hopefully we could load that shit on the tow truck and just take it home, bro. It's so awkward. There's so much like fucking people outside watching. Like, if I'm stealing the car, like, no, I bought it, chill out. Is it because I'm Mexican? That's why y'all think I'm stealing cars? No. All right, I'll be right back, guys. All right, we got the car. I can't zoom in because it's GoPro, but we're going home. We're going home. It took so long because the tires were locked, you know, since you don't have a fucking key and the tire just lock, or the wheel locks. That's what happened. But I don't know why it took me so long to find a screwdriver and just put that shit in the ignition, and the fucking tires unlocked. I went to get a jack. We didn't even need it at the end of the day after I did that, but whatever. I'll record. I'll show you guys the car soon when I get home. Damn, guys, here it is, the E30. Y'all want to see the, yeah, just spam. You want to see the Hornets or bees, whatever they are? Yeah, dude, there's a bunch. Look right there. This is not zooming in. This is me putting my hands right next to it. Shit. But yeah, this is it. Interior. I want to do the seats all red, bruh. Red seats. Hell yeah. But yeah, the back seat's in really good condo. This one was worked on, as you can tell. And there's a rip right here. I don't know how I'm gonna take those bees out. I'm scared. 157,000 miles on the dash. Sadly, it's auto. Cracked dash, but I already got that coming in. And then, yeah, I don't. Oh, you know these wheels, bro? These wheels are fucking rare. Momos, yeah, Momo wheels. Tires, I need to buy all new tires because it's been sitting for years, and they are literally so brittle and they're cracked. Any shocks? I saw it bouncing around in the freaking tow truck. Damn, let's pop the hood. And then this is the rear end. I've never seen this spoiler on an E30. My friend said it looks rare, and I'm not gonna lie, it does. But look, tags from 07. It's 2024. Damn, I don't know how to open the trunk. There's no key. But yeah, guys, this is, oh yeah, it's locked. I don't really know much more. It needs a carpet as well. Look at this. This is locked. I need a key. The seat, I put it down because I was putting it in neutral because you know, I had to. And then the ignition is rusted. I need to clean that up, get a new key. I'm gonna text the guy real quick. I know someone that does them. Oh wait, oh fuck, I was like, is this a carpet? Yeah, look at that. But honestly, the rear is really good condo. Look at this. This is an E30. We got this roof. Let's open the roof. Shit, just by sitting in here, I'm gonna get dirty as fuck. I don't know how it works. Is it moving? Is it moving? Dang, it's been sitting so... It's just stuck. I'm gonna just leave it as is. I hear it though. You hear that?
Sorry, busy taking 5 pictures.
Yeah, I'm gonna just leave that. My hands are... Look at this. Just by touching the interior.
Ew, yuck.
Did it open? Oh shit. Damn. Am I dirty?
And the thing is gone.
What thing? Oh no, I took that off. Cause I put it in neutral and I don't know. I thought oh hell nah. She's gay. Bro, but damn, next to the E36. Fake M's. Bro, this is... Fuck, I like how it looks so low. I need to change the front bumper though. Cause it's all fucked up. Like...
Ready?
Damn, let's see if I could open the hood. Fuck, I'm scared of these fucking bees, bro. No, they're gonna be in there forever. Let's see. How does it? I don't know how to open the hood. I just know it opens this way. Or can I? Like this? And then you just pull it up here. But the shocks are gone. Or it just doesn't hold up. Look at this. We got animals living in here.
That's right,
What? Bro, what are you talking about?
This is a lot of work. Holy shit. I don't know what I got myself into, bro. Dude, look at this. That's someone's home. Okay. Yeah. Pop it up on this. The fucking hood is dented a bit. Did this go all the way up? I don't know.
I just took the best picture.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Oh my god.
Damn, rusted out. Oh, that's nice.
Isn't it?
Holy fuck, this is so fucked. This is rusted the fuck out. This is fucked, Jenny.
Oh yeah.
Holy fuck, look at that shit. Is it motor? What the fuck? Holy shit, this is fucked. Hella fucked. I need these shocks. But besides that, like, it's got this missing connection. I don't even know what the fuck that is. Damn, I'm scared to work on this, not gonna lie. It's just so much. Damn. And just look at the hole. The chassis is fucked. It's rusted out. And like, the car's falling apart, basically. I should have offered lower. I don't know why I just said yeah right away. I was too excited.
Yeah.
But
It's gonna be expensive.
it is gonna be hella expensive to fix. Well, this is it. I need a door handle.
Damn. You gotta go to the junkyard.
They don't have these in the junkyard. That's the worst part, bro. Yeah, I'll just buy this on eBay if I find it. Hopefully. Yeah. Besides it being so sun fitted, it's in good condition though. Like if we paint it.
Yeah.
What is this shit? What the hell?
I don't even want to touch it.
It's so dirty.
I don't even want to touch it.
Alright, y'all. I'm sorry to interrupt the little cinematic, but those were completely garbage. Just look at this. You guys see the little crack? It's so annoying. I forgot to take off the lens protector once again, but I finally took it off. It's a new day, by the way. Anyways, let me tell you guys a bit of the history on this car, all I know. So basically, the lady and son I bought the car from, this was the lady's husband's car and the son's dad's car. And ever since he passed away, the car has just been sitting in the driveway, abandoned, not being driven or turned on. And that kind of hits a lot. You know, it's hard to let go of a car where it's someone special in your life. And it hurts. I relate to it because ever since my mom passed, I had to sell her car. And it was hard, you know. So I did tell them if they wanted to see the car when I finished it. And the mom got emotional, and I did see her tear up a bit, and she said yes, it'll bring back a lot of memories. So this little project build is going to be dedicated to the family of the previous owners. I'm gonna take my time. I'm gonna try to get this thing to be as perfect as I can. I'm learning a lot while I work on these cars. I don't know anything about cars like that. My dad's a mechanic, but that doesn't mean I'm a mechanic. So yeah, I just like working on my cars, you know. So yeah, the car's been sitting for a while. You guys did see in the video the tags are from 07. Another thing, this car does not have a key, so I'm not able to turn it on. I don't know if the engine is good. I don't know if the transmission is good. I don't know anything. I've been calling around. I called different locksmiths this morning, and I've just been having bad luck. Every single one of the people I called, they have been telling me they're not able to do the key for it because it's just old. And if I call the dealership, they probably will not be able to give me the key code as well, just because it's so old. So best thing for me to do is go online and buy the ignition switch with the key and the little lock cylinder for the doors, because I probably will never be able to get a key for this. So yeah, that's the end of the video. If you guys made it to the end, like, comment, subscribe. There's a lot more coming for this car. It's a project, man. So enjoy these little b-roll cinematic things I did, the updated versions of the ones you guys first saw. So yeah, don't forget to hit that sub button. Peace.